Hello class, welcome to my YouTube tutorial on how to answer the strings section on the cryptography model of the NCL A4 2025 gymnasium. I'm going to be walking you through how to find the message of this picture. So basically it says what is the hidden flag in the image. So the prompt is helping us understand that the hackers have hidden a message in this image, so it's going to be our job to find it. So the goal is that we're going to download a picture. When you download, it's going to be in your downloads folder in your file explorer. So you open your file explorer and you want to go to download and save it there basically. Okay, so basically how we can find this hidden message in this image, like it's hidden with the steganography right here. So it's our job to figure it out, and we're gonna use either a Linux tool, like we're gonna either use strings to find it, and with that you're gonna open your command prompt and your command prompt and follow the instructions as to how you find it. I tried using the command prompt, but it was a little difficult for figuring out. So reading through the instructions, it says, however, this challenge could also be solved using a hex editor and search for sky. So I opened another tab on my web browser and I typed hex editor, and the first website that came up was Hex.it. So I opened that website, and okay, so on the website you want to come to open file. It'll connect with your file explorer, and as it loads, yes, file explorer, you want to upload the picture you downloaded. So I hit it and I have it in. So on this side of the on the right side of the screen, on the go-to tab, you want to come to search, because the instruction said that you want to go to hex editor and searching for sky. So on the hex editor, you want to come to search for, you want to type sky, and so when you type sky, it's gonna generate, or it's basically going to find where the sky code is, or like anything associated to sky. So this is what came up, and this is the hidden message we are looking for. So it's sky-tvgi2063. You can choose to copy it. Let's see, copy selected bits. Okay, I did copy it. And you can put it on your notes just to make sure that you've copied the right thing. It's no paste. Okay, let's paste it. Oh, here's something else copied. So basically, I would encourage you to type it out. skytvgi-2063. You copy that and you want to paste your answer. So like I said, the answer is SKTVGI2063. When you put that answer in, you should get it correct. So this is how I managed to find the answer to answer the string section of the cryptography. I hope this helped you. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.